Hello and welcome to my another video. So today I will show this beautiful wall hanging decoration to you. How to make this I will tell you. So for this I'm taking 15 by 15 centimeters sheet, a square sheet, and next I will fold corner to corner like this. And then again corner to corner fold twice. So just do like this. It's done. Now just keep it like this and make 3 points of equal gap. So when I'm keeping this, the total is coming to around 7. So the half of 7 is 3.5. So I will put a point like that, and here it's coming around 3. So point of 1.5. Here also it's coming around 3. So 1.5 centimeter. Just make 3 points of equal gap. That's it. Now when it's done, just make 3 lines with the dots. Just follow the dots and just expand it. That's it. Make into a line. And here we can do from the bottom. That way we will not be wrong. So just make a line like this. Now I have, as you can see, here I have closed side, and from here I have an open side. So from the open side just cut. Just cut from through 3 lines that we have now. And be careful not to cut through the end. Just leave some space here. Same here in this line also. Just start cutting, but just leave some space, a tiny space. Here also the same thing. Just leave some space here. Now when it's done, just open it fully, and now we will glue it. And I have this. Take this part and take this. Just press it nicely so that it sticks to each other. That's it. And take the next opposite side. First this, then the opposite. And take with your hand this side only. From here also, just stick it well. Press it well so that it will stick with each other. When it's done, switch to the other side, opposite side. Take this, same thing. Just put glue over here. Just stick it like this. Press it and turn it over the opposite side. Just put glue. And just press to stick with each other. So to make this 3D star shape wall hanging decoration, we need 6 like this, including this. We need 6 of them. So here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The same pattern will follow in all the 6 that I have told you, will follow in in all of them. So we just need to now stick them with each other. So how to stick them, I will show you that now. Just take one of them and put glue at the end like this. Put glue aside then and take the next one, and from this to this just stick it. Show you. Now I put glue here, just from here to here, just stick it well. Just press it like this, and then again take glue again into these two. Just put glue here and take the other one, the third one, just stick from here, and it will come like this. And just press it so that it will stick. That's it. And now we have to stick from here to here, and from here to here with glue. So just take glue and just put here. And just stick to this. You can hold it like this, whichever way is easy for you. So just press it nicely so that it will stick with each other. It's done. Now we'll come to this part. Just put glue on any one, and other one, just take it close and just press it nicely. It will be done like this. And press again so that it will stick well. And with the other three also we will do the same thing. So I will make the next three of them. So just follow the same step. Just put glue here and just stick it. You can hold it like this. That way it will be easy to just like this. And then put glue here also. Take the third one and the last one. Just take this and stick like this. Just press it so that it will stick with each other. Here also we will follow the same thing. Just put some glue and you can hold it. Like this. Let's press it. And here also just put some glue. And just stick with each other like this. So now when I made this one and this one also, we just need to join them, the whole thing together. So how to do that? In any one of them, just put glue. And stick like this. Hold it and press it nicely. And from here to here, and from here to here we just need to put glue and it's done. And switch to this side towards you and just put glue over here. Hold it together and it's done. It will look like this from here, and from here also it will look like this. It's beautiful and nice. On any occasion you can just decorate your room or hallway like with this one. Just hang it with a ribbon and it will look very beautiful. And from this side it looks like this. So from both the sides it looks good and beautiful. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos, smash the like button. Please comment also, and please subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rice Analytics, and to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadiq's World. Bye bye.